can hear that. That's not supposed to be like that. Well, good afternoon. We've got the Husqvarna MZ61 back in the shop today. We did annual service on this the other day for the neighbor, and while it was here, I discovered it's got a bad spindle. So today, we're going to be replacing the right side spindle on the mower deck. Stick around. So we're going to start the work here in the garage and then move out to the pole barn where the lift is. Looks like maybe we'll just walk the belt off of it. Will be the easiest thing to do. Yep, there we go. We'll run it out to the barn, get it up in the air, and do the rest from underneath. I did actually put the belt back on, and then I took it back off when I got out here, just because I didn't want it getting chewed up on the back on the engine pulley. Okay, we're going to try the 1/4 inch impact on this, and if it doesn't work, we'll go get the big impact. But this is a 7/8 socket. Came right off. And how lucky do you think we're going to get that pulley is going to come off of there easily? I'm guessing probably not very lucky, which is why I purchased a kit that came with a pulley. It's actually not going too bad. I'm just kind of slowly prying up on it here and walking it off. It wasn't bad at all. And we got 4 bolts in the top here. Those should be 13mm if I'm not mistaken. We'll drop the old one off the bottom. You can kind of hear it's no good. And I will drop down in the description below an Amazon affiliate link for the new pulley. We got this right off Amazon. We'll use the new bolts that it came with, just in case they are a different thread or something crazy. Don't you hate when you set stuff down and you can't find it? All right. We're just going to go ahead and install that new pulley because we bought it with a new pulley, so we're going to use the new pulley. We'll take our belt and we'll walk it right around that new pulley. There we go. Throw the blade back on. It even came with a new bolt and washer for the blade, which isn't a bad thing. Sometimes these get kind of beat up. Just like that. And the final step will be to pump it full of grease here. We'll grab our grease gun, fill it up. Give these other ones another couple of shots. We just serviced it the other day, but now there is one more grease zerk on this deck, and I did show it in the annual service video that I did on the mower. That's for the idler assembly. That, however, takes very little grease, and I got it very full the other day when it was here. So and we'll reinstall the customer's discharge chute holder upper. So there you are. I have no idea how long this video is going to turn out to be, but that was a very, very simple job, very quick and easy. Didn't require a lot of tools, a 13mm socket, a 5/8 socket, and a 7/8 socket, I think were the three I used, and a grease gun. If your mower deck on your MZ61 is not sounding so healthy, you might want to get down there and check out those spindle assemblies. For the parts to be as readily available as they were, I'm guessing it was a pretty common condition. So if you're thinking about tackling this job yourself, it wasn't too difficult. I hope today's video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.